This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for Fieldpiece, Bacharach, and tester equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. Morning, guys. It is May 28, 2019. This one here I got a call for. I just started up an air conditioning job last Friday. That I installed in November, I believe, or October. I started it up last Friday, and today's Tuesday, the day after Memorial Day. She's calling me, she's saying it's not cooling. Didn't cool. Now, I was there on Friday, it was working fine. I did set the subcooling, it was a cooler day, so we'll have to go by there and see what's going on with it. Brand new system had just been started up, so shouldn't have an issue. It was working Friday, so today's Tuesday. We'll go over there and see if we can find out what's wrong with it. Guys, I'm back here at my brand new system that I put in, and the compressor's not coming on. I'll have to check this capacitor. Maybe the capacitor might need a hard start on it or something. Brand new system. Kind of odd. Put a little boost kit on there. We'll see if that helps it start. I did have 45 across that contactor. So we'll see if that starts. The brown. The purple wire is the compressor. Yeah. We'll see if that works, see if that helps us start. Should. There goes the compressor. You gotta put that little hot start kit that's in there. Had that in the truck. Alright, so I'm back here, and we're about 13, 14 on the subcooling, which is fine. Suction pressure's good. Our superheat's probably a little bit high because of the distance. Things are way up there on the 3rd floor, I mean way up. So we decided to put that hard start kit on there. Now there's different kinds of hard start kits. I have no problem using those 2-wire ones. A lot of guys don't like them. I have pretty good. I don't have an issue with them. That's what I had in the truck. That's what I'll use. I like the 5-2 ones are good, but I got some nice caps I'm gonna put on there. Take this off and we'll be good to go. 13 on the subcool. You gotta set it by subcool because of the TXV. That's it. It's about 70 degrees up there. Last time I was here, it was running fine last time I was here. Started right up, I charged it, and she called me over the week. She called me today, said the thing wasn't running, so just put a hard start kit in it, we should be good. Just had to put a hard start kit on there. She's up and running again. Just never know, Mama. You never know, Mama. You never know. You want to drive? Oh, I know. Yeah, you love driving. You want to drive. You love driving. You want to drive? Oh, yeah, you want to drive? Miss Molly, you want to drive? You love driving. Yeah, I know you love driving. You love driving. Yeah, you love driving. I know it. You love driving. You just want pets. You just want pets, that's all you want. Oh yeah, you want me to pet you? You want pets? Yeah, you love petting. You love being petted. Yeah, you love pets. You love getting petted. Yeah, you love pets.